Welcome back to Fast Lane Fortune, the channel where speed meets elegance and automotive dreams become reality. Today, we take an in-depth look at one of the most exclusive hypercars on the planet, the 2025 Bugatti Centodieci. This masterpiece isn't just a car, it's a statement of heritage, power, and modern engineering brilliance. The Bugatti Centodieci, inspired by the iconic EB110 from the 1990s, is a limited production hypercar that celebrates Bugatti's 110th anniversary. Only 10 units have been produced globally, making it one of the rarest Bugattis ever made. With a price tag surpassing $9 million, this machine is not built for the mainstream. It's tailored for collectors who demand performance, legacy, and unmatched design. Under the hood, the Centodieci carries Bugatti's legendary 8.0-litre quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing a staggering 1,600 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, and while electronically limited to 236 miles per hour, it's engineered for much more. What truly sets it apart isn't just the numbers, but how it delivers them with seamless power, brutal acceleration, and the kind of refined violence only a Bugatti can offer. Design-wise, the Centodieci blends modern aerodynamics with retro flair. The front is sculpted with a sharper, more aggressive nose, inspired by the EB110's signature design language, including the small horseshoe grille and horizontal LED headlamps. The rear is a complete reimagining, dominated by a massive fixed-wing, full-width LED tail lights, and a unique stacked quad exhaust layout that screams both elegance and performance. Every vent, every curve, and every carbon fiber element serves a purpose: to channel air, reduce drag, and maximize downforce. Inside, the Centodieci maintains Bugatti's tradition of ultimate luxury. The cabin is wrapped in the finest materials: Alcantara, carbon fiber, and bespoke leather trims tailored to each owner's specifications. Despite being built for speed, the cockpit exudes comfort and craftsmanship, with every button, stitch, and dial reflecting the brand's obsessive attention to detail. It's not just about driving, it's about experiencing artistry at 200 miles per hour. Bugatti didn't just build a car with the Centodieci, they honored a legacy. The EB110 changed the game in its era, and now the Centodieci reclaims that spirit with 21st century precision. With only 10 ever made, each car is not just a marvel of engineering but a rolling investment, destined to appreciate in value as it becomes a permanent piece of automotive history. That's all for this edition of Fast Lane Fortune, where we bring you closer to the world's most exclusive rides. If precision, rarity, and unmatched performance excite you as much as they do us, you're in the right lane. Stay tuned for more hypercar deep dives, and remember, in this lane, fortune always favors the fast.